Okay, hey everybody, today I want to show you how to change your interior lights for color effect. So the normal ones that you probably have in there are probably going to look something like this if you have a G6 anyway. I don't know about other vehicles. And we're going to switch it to something that looks similar to this, but it'll be red. So first thing you have to do, and I just use a flathead screwdriver. You're going to pry open right here. Don't go for this. That stays intact. You pry open this all around. Sometimes it helps to pry open this part and then stick a screwdriver in and pry open this part right here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real fast, and then I will show you the next step. Okay, so that's what it's going to look like once you get this down. It's going to look just in there. All you do is grab onto it and pull it out. Simple as that. If you have any problems, especially since this is a glass bulb that you'll be pulling out, just wiggle it back and forth until it pops out, and then your new one should just fit straight in there as the other one was. When you're pushing the new one in, come up here on top and hold on to it as you push in, or you'll push it out of place and then you gotta pop it back into place. It took me a few minutes to do that on this and over here, and then when you have it in, just click that, see if it works or not. I mean, that's the basic point of doing it in a 2006 G6, Pontiac G6. All you do is literally grab and pull it out. And to put it back in, you make sure this part right here goes into there before you try snapping it in on the sides. Always make sure that part's there first. Might be able to do it one-handed. Gotta make sure that one part was there, and then no, I ain't gonna be able to do it one-handed. Thought I could. If you have a G6, I'll leave in the description a link to a whole set for a decent price, better than what you can buy separate. So that's basically it for this. This is a really simple do-it-yourself video, but I just figured I would go ahead and make it. So people, do not mess with this trim. That's really the only warning I have for you. So hope you enjoyed the video. Hope this helps. I mean, I know it's a simple one, but yeah, have a good day and hope to see y'all soon.